Yeah! Marcus Body Coding Live, new footwork every day. Are you excited? I'm excited. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready today? Cross, heel, two. That's the move, cross, heel, two. Let's go. See for yourself first. Let's go. Yeah, let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Yeah, switching the cameras. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. We start with the left right now. With the left, cross to the back. Open. Cross. Heel. Step to the back. And step in place. Now with the right, again. Cross, open, cross, heel, step to the back, and step. Now with the left, again. Cross, open, cross, heel, ball, change. Now with the right. Cross, open, cross, heel, ball, notice the ball of the feet, and step in place. Once again with the left. 1, 2, 3. Heel, ball, change. 1, 2, 3. Heel, ball, change. And with a full count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5, 6, 7. Amazing, yeah, this is the move. Cross, heel, two, yeah, this is the move. And remember, no excuses. This is Iceland, 2 Celsius degrees. I cannot even feel my fingers, but no excuses. And you know what? You still here? Wait. Yeah, let's do another practice. Now. Face to face, I want to see you. Yeah, imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, I'm putting the phone. Yeah, staring in the mirror. Let's do the practice. No excuses. Staring in the mirror. Start with the left. Let's go with your left. We do cross to the back. We cross. We open. We cross. Heel, step to the back, and step. Now with the right. Cross, step, cross, heel, step to the back, and step. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can add the shoulders as well. Let's try it together with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the move. This is the move. This is the groove. Yes, this is cross, heel, two. That's the name. And if you're the serious student, you can join me, do this. Yeah, this move with me in the studio for free anytime you want. How you can do that? You can follow the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yeah, and then search for this move, cross, heel, number 2. Yeah, this is the name of the move. And I'll remind you, these are universal moves. This is Marcus Body coding. We code. Yes, we code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, rumba, samba, samba. And you know, salsa on one and on two. Why? Because you can do it with the right or with the left. And you can do it with the men's steps and the women's steps. Yes, again for the same reason, because you can start them with the right and with the left. So remember, no excuses. So do this video today. Using this video, you can hit the replay button, watch this video again, or check the full tutorial in the links as I already told you. Do it today. Yes, make sure today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus bodycoding live. So practice this move today, no excuses, and let's meet tomorrow with a new footwork. See you tomorrow.